Alright, so I have a slightly older Mercedes, and it's overall a great car, but it often has issues with the key fob. Even with brand new batteries, it sometimes says key fob battery low or key not detected. I've been experimenting with all kinds of batteries and brands, trying everything from Duracell and other name brands to some more random options like these ones that I got from Amazon. No real difference. But I've learned that even though they're all same size and voltage, not all of them perform the same. Even if the voltage is technically identical, the quality and internal resistance of the battery can vary quite a bit. These key fobs send out short bursts of radio signal, which require stable voltage under load. Cheaper or general-purpose batteries can struggle with that, causing issues like the key not detected or battery low warnings I've had, even when the battery is brand new. So what I did was order batteries that are specifically designed for car key fobs, and these have been perfect. What I've learned is that these are chemically optimized to handle bursts of power, like the remote signal from your key fob, better than the standard general-purpose batteries. They're sometimes called key fob specific or medical-grade batteries, and they do work better, believe it or not. So if you're having similar issues, try one of these. These weren't expensive, and they've made a big difference. I'll link the product I bought in the description if you want to check them out. I've also heard some people have successfully replaced the CR2025 battery with a CR2032. They have the same diameter, but the 2032 is slightly thicker and has higher voltage. It's a tight squeeze to get it into your key fob, but on a lot of keys you can still snap it shut and it'll give more voltage and better contact for the terminals. But I haven't tried it, so try at your own risk. That's it. Click the like button if this helped and drop a comment if you have any questions.